There is potential within each and every one of us. All it takes is a simple spark, a small bit of momentum, and that energy is unlocked. An energy that propels us forward, that gives us meaning, that sets us on the path to our future potential. The potential to see the world differently. The potential to dream big, to move quickly. The potential to envision a better tomorrow. We at Lead see potential all around us, within us, and in front of us. Some of mankind's biggest wins have not even happened yet, and we strive to be at the forefront of those victories. For more than 2 decades, Lead has been inspired by people who dare to think differently. Those who are visionaries and hold themselves to the highest of standards. Because of Lead, a better tomorrow is no longer a dream. It's already happening. Lead excels in potential. Standing at the vanguard of our industry, our innovative products and turnkey solutions can be found across the world. Our global expansion marks a pivotal milestone in our quest for excellence, as we strive to achieve greater heights. We operate in 8 business sectors, including Li-ion Battery Intelligent Turnkey Solutions, PV Intelligent Turnkey Solutions, Hydrogen Energy Intelligent Turnkey Solutions, 3C Intelligent Equipment, Intelligent Automobile Production Lines, Intelligent Logistics, Laser Precision Processing and Machine Vision. Our accolades and awards precede us. We are the leading brand for new energy equipment, the primary supplier of turnkey solutions for Li-ion battery intelligent production lines, and the most significant manufacturer of non-standard equipment. With our bespoke engineering services, we offer tailor-made solutions to unique challenges. It is what will sustain us tomorrow. We are continuously challenging the status quo to improve. There is power in potential. The potential for greatness, for change, and for innovation. We invite you to work with us and reveal your potential. Lead. The power of potential.